Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Woo! Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy, Big Buff, Buffalo Picker? Yeah, defend the hustle, y'all. Have you ever heard of Big D and Regina Michelle? Yeah, Hump Day Hangout on Wednesday night. Check them out. Have you ever heard of my boy, Leroy? Yeah, blood, sweat, and sell. You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Have you ever heard of my boy Casey? Yeah, the golf club king. Check him out too. Yeah, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and all I want to do is say, woo! That we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all. Yeah, it's Kevin. I haven't made no big videos in a while, but you know, every year I make these top videos I watch, these top channels, YouTube channels that I watch throughout the year. So I give you the top 20. Last time I gave the top 50, I think. This year I'm just gonna do the top 15. I know I'm late, but sometimes it's like that. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of mixed up this year. You know, I got a couple of people on here that I just listen to like once or twice a week, or sometime once every 2 weeks or something like that. But they made the list, you know. And I want to just tell everybody Happy New Year, you know, Merry Christmas and stuff like that. I ain't get on there and say nothing. I haven't been on YouTube for a while, and some of these people on here stopped posting videos too. But I still look at the old stuff because I buy stuff, and some of these people are experts at some of the things I buy, so I look at them. Okay, first of all, we're gonna start at number 15. And number 15 is a guy from St. Louis, you know, the burn reseller. Yeah, I look at him once, probably twice a week. I see his videos, but he has some good stuff, and he be out here investigating what's going on with YouTube. I mean, with eBay, what's going on with their sales, and when stuff happened, it glitches on the website and stuff like that. So he's very informative on certain things. So anyway, y'all need to check him out. The boring reseller. Number 15. Number 14 is I like this guy, Quarter Flips. He have a whole lot of stuff on there. Like he almost sell the same stuff I sell. You know, little bitty little items. Like he sell a whole lot of records too, and a whole lot of media. But I like him because he go through these. Like I buy a whole lot of packages of small toys and stuff like that. He go through stuff like that, and I kind of watch him. And sometimes I don't have to look this stuff up. Excuse me. It's being lazy, but whatever. So y'all need to check him out. Quarter Flips. Number 13, Thrift School. You know, some of y'all might not think y'all might need to go through thrift school again. You know, because y'all probably think y'all some expert thrifters. But everybody needs to learn something. You know, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm still learning. You know, so check them out. They're pretty good at what they do. That's number 13, Thrift School. Okay, number 12 is Crazy Lamp Lady, and it seems like to me she's getting crazier and crazier. I don't know, but she has some good stuff when it comes to glass. She pick out some glass stuff that I'd be like, damn, I would have never thought to pick that up. But I have looked at her videos, and I did pick up I learned some stuff from her, some names that I didn't know before that I had picked up and sold. So you need to check out if you're interested in going out of a niche into another niche, like glass. All kind of glass she sells. She just go through thrift stores and just automatically pick stuff up, and I'll be like, that ain't worth no money. Then she sell it. You know, so check her out. She number 12. Number 11 is another guy from Missouri. You know, Dixon Pickens. Yeah, he's from out of Cape Dorado. That's probably about 80 miles, 90 miles away from St. Louis, close to 100 miles away. You know, he come up here all the time and go to our Goodwill stores that have those what you call those Goodwill stores that have those. You go in the bins. He come up here all the time to do the bins. Now, last year, this dude, I remember when he wasn't making that much money, but now last year he made over $100,000 last year, so he doing pretty good, you know. And I like that when people come through and just get a niche and stick to that niche, and then they make a lot of money off of it, you know. Just check him out, Dixon Pickens, and he do have a show. I forgot what day it's on. He do have a live talk, but I forgot what day it's on, and I forgot the name of the show. But check him out. Look him up. Next up, he's number 11. Next up is my boy Primetime Treasure Hunter. Yeah, this dude be finding some stuff. You know, I'm at the store going to estate sales again because this guy, the last video I saw of his, he went in the estate sale and he found all this glass stuff. I mean, expensive glass stuff for $10, $5, and stuff like that. I mean, he finds some stuff that I wish I could find, but and he's also very knowledgeable about different things. I wish he'd talk about comic books more because I got a whole lot of comic books I need to get rid of. I wish he would talk about comic books more and give out some of his secrets about selling comic books and about looking them up, stuff like that. Like, I'd look them up on eBay and Amazon, but I don't have anything after that. But he need to make some videos about that. He's number 10, Primetime Treasure Hunter. Check him out. Number 9 is Old School Flips. This guy's pretty good. You need to check him out. Old School Flips. I have too much to say about him. And number 8 is Hypey Gold. This dude is the video game king. I mean, he make deals off of Facebook Marketplace. He find all these games and he sell them. I mean, maybe up where he live in California, maybe they got stuff like that all the time. But where I live, it's hard to find games. It's hard to find games. It's hard to find game systems like he do. But this dude is good when it comes to video games. You all need to watch him. If you want to sell video games or you selling video games, you need to watch this dude. He an expert at going to find the stuff. So maybe you can learn some stuff off of him about going out thrifting, trying to find these video games and stuff. Maybe you could do it. My niches is, I got a whole lot of niches, so I got video games too, but I don't have as much as he do. But anyway, check him out, Hypey Gold. Number 8. Number 7 is Osborne to Thrift. His last name is Osborne, and he got to thrift. So it's Osborne to Thrift. Like, I'm born to thrift. But anyway, he's pretty good. He got like 2 storage lockers that he go to, and plus he got stuff at home. So he got one storage locker where I watched this one video where him and his parents, I mean his whole family do it, but him and his parents and his brother, I think, went in together and bought this estate. This whole estate worth of stuff, and they had all kind of new computer games, everything. So one of his lockers, his storage lockers, got all that stuff in it. The other one got the stuff that he thrift every day. But he sell a whole lot of big stuff. I try to get rid. I try not to sell big stuff. I sell VCRs and stuff like that. But that's what he do. He sell anything, everything, big, little, whatever. I do too. I mean, I take that back. I do too, but not as much as he do. But anyway, y'all need to watch him. Osborne to Thrift. Let me spell it for you. It's OSBORN, the number 2, Thrift. THRIFT. Osborne to Thrift. Check him out. He's number 7. Number 6 is Shed Flips. How can I put it? I've been watching them when I first started on YouTube. I've been watching them, and I haven't been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for like a little bit over probably 3 years now. But that was the first people I watched was the Shed Flips and Shed, whatever the other Shed thing was. They got 2 channels. But But I still watch them because they're pretty good. Now his wife is, well, she been there for a while, but she quit her job or retired or whatever, and she started helping him. That was like a year ago. So now he got help. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my wife to do the same thing. Anyway, they're pretty good. Watch them. Shed flips. Number 6. Number 5 is ATL flippers. Woo! Him and his wife. Other day I watched a video. He gonna run to the camera and say, he gotta hurry up. I gotta pick my kids up in school. You know what I'm saying? So he had just bought a locker, a storage locker. He opened it up, and it was like 2 or 3 containers full of underwear, men's underwear, brand new. And he was like, what the hell? I mean, full of underwear. Full of it. And full of underwear. So anyway, so he do some funny stuff now. You need to check him out. ATL flippers. Check them out. They number 5. Number 4 is my boy, Big Buffalo Pickers. Yeah, defend the hustle, y'all. Yeah, Buffalo Picker. He don't make YouTube videos no more. Most of his stuff is on Instagram right now. But I just support him, and I like his little short videos he make because he show you different things. He show you stuff that he have, and it motivates you to try to do the same thing he doing. But it's hard. That dude worked his way up to what he got, and I'm proud of him. You know what I'm saying? So I support him. So he's number 4. You know, even though he don't make videos no more, whatever, I don't care. That's my boy. I support him. He's number 4. Number 3 is Hump Day Hangout. Yeah, Wednesdays nights. Regina, Michelle, and Big D. Check them out. Yeah, they got people on there that they have like a little talk show. They talk to people every week. And also D got a show on Sunday nights. It was on Friday nights. I don't know why he took it off Friday, and I don't know why he not inviting me on there because that's what I do, talk like that. It's called I forgot the name of the show, but it's on Sunday nights now. But anyway, they show is very informative. They have different guests on there. They talk about everything. So check them out. Yeah, Hump Day Hangout. They're number 3. Number 2 is the Golden State Picker. Yeah, I started watching him about a year ago. You know, if you want to sell stuff on Amazon, he have videos to show you how to sell books, how to send them off, how to do. I mean, this dude is good. So he haven't been selling that long, but like me. So and he way ahead of me. But I'm just saying this dude is good. He done retired. His wife done retired and started helping him now. He bought a house in North Carolina where his kids live, grandkids live, but he live in California. So he done bought another house, and he gonna keep the house in California and go spend time with his grandkids and stuff like that. And it makes sense because if you going down to see your grandkids 3 or 4 times a year, and you paying for hotels and stuff like that, you can just buy a house and just go down there and have your house. You know what I'm saying? If it's next door, whatever. And still come out on top because you still can sell from that area. You still can write the stuff off. You still can do everything you want to do in that second home. Okay? He's number 2. Okay? Number 1. Whoo, you guys are never going to guess this. Number 1 is the auction professor. But I done learned so much from this dude, I can't hardly explain to you. You know, and he done moved now where he got a big warehouse and stuff like that, which he probably needed it. But I'm just telling you, you know, this dude right here, you can learn a lot of stuff from him. I used to just throw CDs when I first started. I used to just throw CDs in these mailers, you know, these bubble mailers and stuff like that. I learned, you know, to cut cardboard boxes up, roll them up in a cardboard box, put it in the envelope, and just send it off like that so they won't get damaged. I learned a lot of stuff from this guy, you know, a lot over the years. So you guys need to check him out, the auction professor. Oh my God, you guys need to check him out. That's all I got to say about that. Yeah, this is Kevin from St. Louis with my top 15 of 2023. Yeah. All I want to do is say, woo! That we pick in the hood.